today, there are 356 workers are still not compensated, and then they are still fighting for compensation and their legal rights. So that's why today we groups, right, many groups from Hong Kong and Indonesia wanted to protest against, right, Adidas, right, because we think that Adidas didn't pay much effort, right, to solve the cases. Right, in China, we also have two cases. First is the recent, right, big strike in Dongguan, China, and which I know everybody knows that. Adidas knows that, right? Your suppliers, Yuyuan, right, didn't pay the workers social insurance and also legal contract. Until today, we do not know how the workers are being compensated or how the social insurance scheme is being repaid. So that's why workers are also very disappointed and then anxious to know that what is the intervention of the Adidas so far. The third case, right, is also run or supported by the Hong Kong group, including Globalization Monitor. That is the Taiwanese-owned, right, company called Dynamic Casting in Guangzhou. I think you know that, right? The Dynamic Casting, Taiwanese-owned company has already moved back to China, to Taiwan. But Adidas still sold, right, to this company. But today we will submit the letters to you from 6 workers who have like HIV/AIDS, right, hand-arm rifation disease, because their case is not yet solved. And we are coming today to urge Adidas to closely monitor the case so that the workers, right, could be compensated at the end. Because HIV/AIDS, right, is an incurable disease that the workers will lose their ability to work. So today, right, we are a group of the Hong Kong group. We are a group of labor rights people, including migrant groups in Hong Kong, including Indonesian GSBI, right, that Intervention Trade Union from Indonesia. Actually, the chairman of the GSBI is now in Hong Kong, Mr. Rudy, and also the Hong Kong labor groups and unions who come to protest. So now I give back the mic, right, to the facilitator.
Respect workers' rights!
Respect workers' rights!
Shame on Adidas!
Shame on Adidas!
Shame on Adidas!
Shame on Adidas!
Now we would like to hear from Rudy, the chairperson of Federation of Independent Trade Union in Indonesia, or GSBI, who has been handling the cases of 1,300 terminated workers from PDK, where Adidas is actually getting the shoes.
Okay, thank you, Annie. Saya akan jelaskan dalam bahasa Indonesia saja.
We will speak in bahasa.
Adidas don't keep silent.
Adidas
don't keep silent.
Adidas don't keep silent.
Adidas don't keep silent.
Adidas don't keep silent.
Ya, saya datang ke sini bersama kawan-kawan. Gerakan di Hong Kong adalah untuk menuntut Adidas supaya dia tidak hanya diam, karena sudah 2 tahun 1.300 buruh PT Panarum Dewi Karya di Indonesia yang memproduksi Adidas sekarang sudah terlantar, ya, tidak ada kejelasan nasibnya, dan 1 orang sudah meninggal dunia karena tidak menerima upah dan juga jaminan sosialnya sudah diputus. 5 orang terusir dari rumah sewa dan 5 orang anak buruh juga putus sekolah karena tidak bisa membayar biaya sekolah.
I come here to intervene and directly talk to Adidas because where the company who produces your shoes, PDK, in Jakarta, has been terminating 1,300 workers 2 years ago. And since that termination, one worker has died, 5 5 families has been evacuated from the house because they cannot pay the rent, and 5 children have to drop out from school. And until now, the case of these workers still remain unsettled.
Ya, kami minta Adidas jangan hanya meraup keuntungan saja. Ya, kita tahu sekarang dengan agenda Piala Dunia, Adidas begitu banyak mendapatkan keuntungan, tapi dia tidak respect terhadap hak-hak buruh.
We hope that Adidas is not only after profit, but also respect the rights of the workers. With the World Cup, we know that Adidas earn a lot, but we hope that Adidas is also respecting the rights of the workers who produce your shoes.
Ini nampak dengan 2 tahun Adidas tidak melakukan apa tindakan konkret untuk menyelesaikan kasus di Panarung Dewi Karya.
And the reason why we said that you have no concern for the workers, that in fact in the past 2 years, you haven't intervened at all the issue of this 1,300 unsettled workers.
Dan di Indonesia banyak sekali kasus-kasus pelanggaran hak buruh, baik upah, terutama adalah masalah kebebasan berserikat, di mana Adidas terus membiarkan tidak ada langkah-langkah konkret untuk menyelesaikan kasus yang terjadi.
And then currently there are a lot of violations against workers' rights, and one of them is the wages and also the rights to association. And until now, Adidas remains silent on this issue.
Kita tahu bahwa di dalam satu pasang sepatu terdapat keringat buruh yang itu adalah diabaikan oleh Adidas, dan kita menuntut Adidas don't keep silent. Adidas don't keep silent.
Adidas don't keep silent.
Thank you.
In every shoes that the workers produce, there is sweat of the workers that actually you fail to recognize. Shame on Adidas!
Shame on Adidas.
Shame on Adidas!
Shame on Adidas.
Respect workers' rights!
Respect workers' rights.
And lastly, to give another solidarity support from the community in Hong Kong, we would like to invite Eman Villanueva, the spokesperson of the Asian Migrants Coordinating Body, who are here as one of the hosts of this event.
People before profit.
People before profit.
People before profit.
People before profit.
Shame on Adidas.
Shame on Adidas.
It is shameful that a multinational company like Adidas, who earns millions if not billions of dollars from its products being sold globally, is part of this production chain that are exploiting workers from the third world countries, including that of Indonesia and in China. We would like to see Adidas to take its part in adhering to international standards that recognizes and respects the rights of workers to form their own unions, to bargain with the company, and to get adequate compensation and wages for the work that they do to the products that are being sold under the name of Adidas. The migrant workers in Hong Kong are in solidarity with the workers in Indonesia and in China. We are in solidarity with our fellow workers who have been toiling but are not being paid equally and reasonably for their labor. We want to see Adidas to take up the responsibility and not to just be on the sideline by informing the factories that are producing the products for Adidas, to tell them that they should compensate the workers, to tell them that they will not make any orders from them. They will not order shoes, shirts, or any products from these factories who are exploiting workers. You have that power, you have that capacity to tell these producers, to tell these factories that you will not get their products if they violate the rights of their workers. We came here 2 years ago, and someone from this office promised to do that. They promised to tell the factory in Indonesia that they should compensate the workers, that they will tell them to talk to the union, that they will tell the factory to comply with the standards and the corporate social responsibility principles that Adidas is supposedly adhering to. 2 years later, this same issue is still there. Workers are not paid well. Terminated workers, dismissed workers were not properly compensated. Some of them were forced to accept measly compensation because they no longer have jobs. And there are more than 350 workers who are still waiting for proper compensation. That is a very shameful act from a multinational company like Adidas.
Shame on you!
You earn millions or billions of dollars. You should pay the workers adequate compensation and reasonable salary. That is the least that you can do.
Yes!
People before profit!
People before profit.
People before profit!
People before profit.
Respect workers' rights!
Respect workers' rights.
Respect workers' rights!
Respect workers' rights.
Shame on Adidas!
Shame on Adidas.
Shame on Adidas!
Shame on Adidas.
Now we would like to hear from you if you would like to explain what have you done in the past 2 years. But beyond that, we are taking one more step forward that you shouldn't only tell the company, but you should intervene to the problem. So these people, the workers, will get settlement fairly as soon as possible. And we would like to invite Rudy and Mai Wong and also AMRC to submit our joint petition. But beyond this, we are going to continue our promotion of workers' rights. We are going to continue to shame on your company if you fail to fulfill your responsibility.
But do they want to respond?
Would you like to respond?
I'll happily accept your petition or letter. We'll respond through our PR department as usual.
But we would like to know that if Mr. Anderson, right? William Anderson is
Mr.
there?
Anderson.
Or Mr. Fitri Puppy, right? Is it?
Mr.
Pretty.
Yeah, no, they're neither here.
They are not here.
No, Bill is in Singapore.
Yeah, may I know your title? Maybe know your title, and then thank you for happily accepting our letters, right? But we don't want only accepting letters, right? But follow up.
We need confirmation and commitment. So would you like to respond or you just accept it?
I'll just accept it. We'll respond through PR.
What is your name?
What's my name? My name is John McNamara.
And which department in the company you are?
Sorry?
Which department you are in?
Sourcing.
Okay, so we are going to submit petition.
Actually, we have a joint letters, right? This is the one. Okay. But I have already get this, right?
Okay. So this is the way you submit this.
People before profit!
People before profit.
People before profit!
People before profit. Shame on Adidas.
Shame on Adidas!
Respect workers' rights.
Respect workers' rights!
Compensation now.
Compensation now!
Respect workers' rights.
Respect workers' rights!
Respect labor rights.
Respect labor rights!
They agreed to pay a 3,700 millions, right, to compensate the workers on the social insurance, but no detail were given. Yes, we $37 million, yes, US. But you know that they have 50,000 workers, right, in 6 facilities. All are not paid proper social insurance. So that's why this is a big case. I think you know, right, from the media, from your colleagues. So that's why we wanted Adidas to closely monitor the case and then to follow the case, make sure that the workers, both the workers from China and Indonesia could be compensated properly.
And it's a small amount compared to
Follow up on this one.
Yes, exactly. All the 3 cases. Because to be fair, we know that from the 1,300 PDK cases, right?
Yeah.
Adidas did follow up, right? But you made the investigations and legal analysis, right? And you also suggest mediation between workers and employer. But that's all. Nothing happened. I mean, the workers are forced.
We've done 7 rounds. 7 rounds.
Yes, I know, we know. But until today, 356 workers out of 1,300 are still, in dire situation. That's why we want you to more actively involve. This is what we want. We don't say that Adidas didn't do anything, okay? Yeah, exactly.
No, but I think active is one thing, but taking over and intervene is another thing. And I think this time it's not like motivate the company to settle, but you have to intervene and settle. Otherwise, I'm sorry, your name will not will be destroyed by those people who actually.
And if the case does not resolve, right, we will come back again. I think William Anderson. Yes, exactly. We are frequent visitors. Sorry for that. I know that it creates a big pressure, right, to your colleagues, but we don't want to because we are all workers, right? Yes. Right. So that's why, please, we will write to Fish Fridry and then also Willem that try to press them to solve the issues too, to close the we monitor the case. Don't give up. Otherwise, right? The suppliers will just, right? Treat worker like shit.
Yes. No, Adidas has the principal responsibility.
Yeah, of course. They are the big
Adidas principally responsible.
They are
not
the big
the
profits,
suppliers.
right?
Because it's your product, your responsibility. No intermediaries. Please take responsibility. All right.
Thank you.
Respect workers' rights. People before profit. People before profit.
Thank you, friends. We are concluding our picket access, but again, we are going to closely monitor, and our migrants group in Hong Kong is welcome any initiative to take a further action against Adidas in case they haven't actually done their part.
Adidas is organizing lunch for us.
I want to pay my own lunch.